Hello students, now very most important topic is find out geometrical isomerism. Find out geometrical isomerism. I will give simple trick how to find out geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism in polyenes. Polyenes means number more than one double bond is called polyenes. Poly means more than one double bond. So now here in first case, in unsymmetrical system, find out in unsymmetrical system how to find out geometrical isomerism in unsymmetrical system or unsymmetrical compounds. So what is the simple formula how to find out geometrical isomers in unsymmetrical system? So simple formula is number of geometrical isomerism in unsymmetrical system. The simple formula is 2 to the power n, 2n, that is 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n. This is a simple trick. So here what is here n? What about that n? N means what? Number of sites where is geometrical isomers are possible. That is a simple trick, student. What about this n? N means number of sites where is geometrical isomers are possible. That is simple trick, student. So what is the another condition here? In unsymmetrical compound should contain terminal group should be different. Another simple trick, student, terminal groups should be different. Terminal groups are end groups are should be different. This is the simple tricks for find out the geometrical isomerism in unsymmetrical compounds. So now take the example that is CH3 CH double bond, then CH single bond, then CH double bond, then CH double bond, then CH single bond, then Br. So this is the unsymmetrical compound. Here what is the condition here? Terminal group should be different. This is the terminal group. This carbon, it shows the geometrical. Here two double bonds are there. Here also one double bond is there. Here also one double bond is there. So what about this one here? This n means what? Number of sites means will show geometrical isomers. This the carbon double bond is there. This the carbon double bonds will show geometrical isomers. Why? Because of this carbon surrounding two different groups is there. This carbon connected with one methyl group, one H, and this carbon connected with one hydrogen, this complete part. This is also exhibit geometrical isomerism. What about this carbon? This carbon connected with one hydrogen and this complete compound, and this carbon connected with one hydrogen and one bromine. So here our simple trick, that is terminal group should be different. This is last one. This CH3 group is the terminal group. This CH3 group is this left hand side carbon CH3 is different, right hand side carbon also Br. So this is also different. These both terminal groups are different. This is the main important, student. So in unsymmetrical system, find out the geometrical isomers. First condition is, what is the condition? That is the terminal group should be different. So this is condition. This is unsymmetrical compound, and second point is terminal groups also different. So how many geometrical isomers are possible? So now formula is how to find out geometrical isomer. Formula is 2 to the power n. This is the simple trick, student. Here n means what? Number of geometrical isomers, number of sites. Here also one site is there, here also one side, two sites are there. So here these two carbons will show geometrical isomer. That's why n is equal to 2 means simple trick, student. N is equal to means what? N is equal means what? The n is equal means number of sites will show geometrical isomers, not double bond. That is not correct way. N is equal means not double bond. So here two double bonds are there. That's why it is n is equal to. That is not correct way. N is equal means what? Number of geometrical isomers will show that carbons. That is number of sites, not double bonds. So here number of sites. So here also one carbon will show geometrical isomerism, and here also one carbon will show geometrical isomer. Total two here, two sites are there. That's why it is 2 to the power n. So here n is equal to 2. So that's why this total number of geometrical isomer is 2 into 2, that is equal to the 4. So total number of geometrical isomer given compound is 4 geometrical isomers. Now take the second example. CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH single bond, and given compound, here total number of carbons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 carbons are there. So here how many compound will show geometrical isomers? Here this carbon in between one double bond is there. This carbon connected with one methyl group, one hydrogen, and this is also will show geometrical isomerism, and this carbon also will show geometrical isomerism. Why? This carbon also will show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this carbon connected with one hydrogen, this complete compound, and right side carbon also will show geometrical isomerism. So This carbon also will show geometrical isomers. And what about this carbon carbon in between? This carbon carbon in between also, this carbon connected with one hydrogen, this complete one compound, and right side carbon connected with chlorine and hydrogen. This is also, these two carbons will show geometrical isomer. These two carbons also will show geometrical isomerism. This two carbon also will show geometrical isomerism. So here total number of sites, here 3 sites are there. So total number of 3 sites are there. So here, and another thing is the, what is the condition? Terminal group should be different. Terminal groups also will be different. So here terminal group is methyl group is there. Here terminal group is chlorine is there. Both are different. So that's why it will show the geometrical isomer. So now what is the n value here? N is equal to 3. Why? Because of 3 carbons, 3 double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why n value 3, n is equal to 3. So what is the formula of geometrical isomerism formula? 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n. So n value is 3. So that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is the 8 geometrical isomers. Given compound is 8 geometrical isomers are exhibit. This is the important for unsymmetrical alkenes, unsymmetrical polyenes. Find out the geometrical isomer. So it is a very simple trick. And another example, now take the another example. CH3, CH double bond, then CH single bond, CH2, CH. This is also given compound. Here total number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. 8 carbons are there, but here only 2 double bonds are there. So it is also unsymmetrical compound. It is also unsymmetrical compound. So this carbon carbon double bond will show geometrical isomerism. Will show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this carbon connected with methyl group and one hydrogen, and this right side carbon will connected with one hydrogen complete this compound. And here also these two carbon also will show geometrical isomerism. So this carbon connected with one hydrogen, this is also different, and this carbon also connected with one hydrogen, this ethyl group. So here what is the condition here? Terminal group should be different. What about this terminal group? Here terminal group is methyl is there, and what about this terminal group is methyl? Here also that is not correct way. This is complete ethyl group. This ethyl group is connected with carbon. So this is not methyl. Terminal group means this hydrogen. This, what is the structure? This hydrogen like this. This carbon having one hydrogen and this complete part ethyl. So here terminal groups are different. One right side is ethyl group is there, left side is methyl groups are there. So these both are the terminal groups. So this is the condition. So what is geometrical isomerism formula? 2 to the power n. So here total number of geometrical isomer, n value here, n value is equal to 2, n value 2. Why? Because of what is the reason? N value 2 means these two carbons will show geometrical isomerism. That's why it is n is equal to. So n value 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n is equal to value 2. So 2 to the 4, that is the total 4 geometrical isomers. Total 4 geometrical isomers are exhibits. This is the simple trick for geometrical isomerism, student. And one more question. So one more thing, student. All double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomers. Once again, all double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomers. Now take the example for another example, that is CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, then CH2. What about this one here? Here what is the n value? So this double bonded carbon will show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this carbon connected with one methyl group, one hydrogen. This double bonded carbon connected with one hydrogen complete this part. And what about this carbon? This carbon also will show geometrical isomers. This carbon connected with one hydrogen complete part, and this carbon also connected with one hydrogen, this complete part. What about this one? This is not, these two carbons, these double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomer. What is the reason? These double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomers. Why? Because of this carbon connected with two hydrogens like this. This carbon CH double bond CH2 like this. These both hydrogens are same. So this compound will not show geometrical isomerism. So here n value means what? How many n values, how many carbons will show geometric, how many double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomerism? Only 2 double bonded carbon souls, only 2 double bonded carbon only 2 double bonded carbons only will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why it is n value 2, this n value 2. So n value 2, what is the geometrical isomerism in unsymmetrical formula? How to find out what is the formula of 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n? So that is what is the answer? 2 into 2, that is equal to the 4. So 4 geometrical isomers are exhibits. So the given compound 4 isomers or 4 geometrical isomers are possible. This is a simple trick, students. So all double bonds are not sure, all double bonds are will not show, all double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomers. So here these double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of these double bonded carbon having same group, 2 atoms are same, so that's why do not exhibit geometrical isomers. In this compound only 2 double bonded carbons are there, these only to exhibit geometrical isomerism. So this is the n value 2 only, this is n value 2 only. So the total number of geometrical isomers in this compound, only 4 geometrical isomers are possible, students. If you like my video, please like and share, and one more thing, and please do the subscribe my channel. Thank you.